In this video, I'll show you how to hide the site visibility badge in your WordPress admin bar. Usually when you install the latest version of WooCommerce plugin, you will notice that the site visibility badge will be displayed at the top left corner of the admin bar, right over here. As you can see, in my case, the site is live. So if you're looking to hide the site visibility badge, in this video, I'll show you how to do that. But first, log into your WordPress admin account, and then hover on WooCommerce, and then select Settings. Once the Settings page loads, click on the Advanced tab, and then select the Features tab. Now scroll a bit down till you find this option, Site Visibility Badge. As you can see, by default it's enabled. Let's uncheck it and save the changes. And as you can notice, the badge is no longer visible in the admin toolbar. And lastly, if you need to make changes to site visibility settings, under WooCommerce, click on Settings, and then select Site Visibility. And right over here, you can make the adjustment. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.